श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ओम। जननीं शारदां देवीं रामकृष्णं जगद्गुरुं पादपद्मे तयोः श्रित्वा we have something extraordinary for you. We shall first show her photograph and then show her. This little girl is Sharanya Banerjee. See her and see her transformation as she will present a beautiful Saraswati Vandana before you. Welcome Sharanya Banerjee.
जय जय देवी जय जगजननी जय जय सरस्वती माई जय जय देवी जय जगजननी जय जय सरस्वती जय जय भवानी जय शर्वाणी जय जय भवानी जय शर्वाणी जय त्रिभुवन सुखदाई जय त्रिभुवन सुखदाई तेरी माया अनंत पार तेरी माया अनंत पार जाको को नहीं पाई जय जय देवी जय जगजननी जय जय सरस्वती हस्तकमल मुबीन बजावे हस्तकमल मुबीन बजावे जामे सब सुर गाए जामे सब सुर गाए तुझे हाथ विराजत पुस्तक तुझे हाथ विराजत पुस्तक वेद श्रुति उपजाई जय जय देवी जय जगजननी जय जय सरस्वती.
That was excellent, Sharanya Banerjee. Everyone is happy with your song, definitely. Thank you very much. Now we have Chittabrata Saha singing Kobe Trishito Emaru Chadiya Jaigo. This I shall read from the text is Rajinikanth Sen's song. Rajinikanth Sen was a saint poet who died recently in 1910. When shall I discard this desert of this world and come to your abode filled with nectar and bliss? This is the central idea of this great song, Chittabrata Saha.
তোমাতে হয়ে যাব আমার আমি হারা, তোমারি নাম নিতে নয়নে ববে ধারা। এ দেহ শিহরিবে ব্যাকুল হবে প্রাণ, বিপুল পুলক স্পন্দনে কবে তৃষিত ছাড়িয়া যাই তোমারি রসদ নন্দনে। কবে ভবের সুখ দুঃখ চরণে দুলিয়া যাত্রা করিব গো শ্রীহরি বলিয়া। ভবের সুখ দুঃখ চরণে দলিয়া যাত্রা করিব গো শ্রীহরি বলিয়া। চরণ চলিবে না হৃদয় গলিবে না, চরণ আমার চরণ টলিবে না, হৃদয় গলিবে না। কাহারো আকুল ক্রন্দনে কবে তৃষিত ছাড়িয়া যাই তোমার রসাল নন্দনে।
Thank you, Chittabrata Saha. That was excellent. Now, Mrs. Shuchismita Dev shall present a few of the teachings of Bhagavan Sri Ramakrishna. Srimati Shuchismita Dev.
Baby Gadadhar and his sweetness. According to the scriptures, the parents of incarnations like Rama, Krishna, and others knew through their spiritual visions, both before and after the birth of their sons, that these divine beings were under the special protection of providence. However, blinded by parental affection, they forgot that fact and would therefore always be anxious about their welfare. This applies to Khudiram Chattopadhyay and his wife Chandra Devi also. Khudiram had many visions about the advent of Sri Ramakrishna. Chandramani Devi had numerous visions also. Yet the lotus face of their loving child made them often forget the divine dream at Gaya, which Khudiram had, and they forgot the celestial vision near the Shiva temple which Chandra Devi had before she conceived Sri Ramakrishna. Just like Yashoda had deep worry and concern for her Krishna, just as Kaushalya worried about Sri Rama constantly, Chandra Devi constantly worried about her son. They began to devise various means for his proper care and nourishment. The news of the birth was sent to Ramchandra, Khudiram's prosperous nephew, who lived far away in Medinipur. Fearing that there would not be sufficient milk for his uncle's poor family, that nephew Ramchandra sent a cow, thereby removing Khudiram's anxiety on that score. But through all that was wanted for the newborn child came in unexpected ways from different quarters. There was no end to the anxiety of the parents. Time thus rolled on. As days went by, the baby's charm began to attract people more and more. Gadadhar, the baby, captivated the hearts not only of his parents but also of the village women. Whenever the village women had some leisure, they would hasten to Chandra. If asked why they came, they would answer, "What are we to do? Our longing to see your baby every day brings us here." Not only women of that village, but women relatives from the neighboring villages also began to come to Khudiram's humble cottage more often than before. Growing up sweetly and surrounded by love and care, the baby gradually passed his 5th month, and the tune for the first rice eating ceremony of the baby arrived. At first, Khudiram decided to perform this ceremony in a small way in keeping with his means. His idea was to make it according to the scriptural injunctions and to offer to the baby rice offered to the family deity Raghuvira and to invite a few near relatives. However, things took a different course. At the secret prompting of Khudiram's great friend Dharmadas Laha, the village landlord, the foremost Brahmins and other leading men of the village came to Khudiram. To his utter surprise, all of them insisted that he should feed them on that auspicious day. Khudiram was in a great fix. Since all the villagers respected and loved him, he could not make up his mind as to whom to invite and whom to leave out. And to invite all would be out of the question because of his slender resources. What would he do? Convinced in his heart that Raghuvir would show him the way out, he sought the advice of Dharmadas Laha. This gentleman was waiting for it and assumed all the responsibility. As soon as he came to know of his friend's desire to take the responsibility for the ceremony himself, Khudiram left the whole matter to him and returned home. Dharmadas cheerfully made all arrangements for the ceremony, almost entirely at his own expense, and the function went off smoothly. The whole village, people of all creed and caste, were fed that day in Khudiram Chatterjee's house. This is the sweet beginning of the Avatar's work. Thank you.
Oh, thank you, Srimati Suchismita Devi. We have now Miss Sanjana Kaushik. Miss Sanjana Kaushik will render a Kannada devotional Bhavagite written by the Rabindranath Tagore of Karnataka, Kuvempu, K.V. Puttappa. The song runs like this, and I read, I reveal everything to you, O my divine Guru, the indwelling soul. Here lives the sin, the sacred, the inferno, the paradise. Accept, O inner soul. You bestow the shine of the sun, and you watch over him too. How can sin ever remain sin then? With Ganga under your feet, will inferno ever remain the inferno? I am bound. I want to be boundless. Please take me to the radiant bliss of your love. Miss Sanjana Kaushik.
नमस्ते. जय श्री रामकृष्ण. जय माँ शारदा देवी. जय स्वामी विवेकानंद जी. हरि ओम. गुरुवे अंतरात्मा गुरुवे अंतरात्मा ना ಮುಚ್ಚುಮರೆಯಿಲ್ಲದೆಯೇ ನಿನ್ನ ಮುಂದೆಲ್ಲವನು ಬಿಚ್ಚಿಡುವೆ ಓ ಗುರುವೆ ಅಂತರಾತ್ಮ ಮುಚ್ಚುಮರೆ ಇಲ್ಲದೆಯೇ ನಿನ್ನ ಮುಂದೆಲ್ಲವನು ಬಿಚ್ಚಿಡುವೆ ಓ ಗುರುವೆ ಅಂತರಾತ್ಮ ಪಾಪವಿದೆ ಪುಣ್ಯವಿದೆ ನರಕವಿದೆ ನಾಕವಿದೆ ಪಾಪವಿದೆ ಪುಣ್ಯವಿದೆ ನರಕವಿದೆ ನಾಕವಿದೆ ಸ್ವೀಕರಿಸುವ ಗುರುವೇ ಅಂತರಾತ್ಮ ಮುಚ್ಚುಮರೆ ಇಲ್ಲದೆಯೇ ನಿನ್ನ ಮುಂದೆಲ್ಲವನು ಬಿಚ್ಚಿಡುವೆ ಓ ಗುರುವೇ ಅಂತರಾತ್ಮ ರವಿಗೆ ಕಾಂತಿಯ ನೀವ ನಿನ್ನ ಕಣ್ಣೀಕ್ಷಿಸಲು ಪಾಪ ತಾನುಳಿಯುವುದೇ ಪಾಪವಾಗಿ ರವಿಗೆ ಕಾಂತಿಯ ನೀವ ನಿನ್ನ ಕಣ್ಣೀಕ್ಷಿಸಲು ಪಾಪ ತಾನುಳಿಯುವುದೇ ಪಾಪವಾಗಿ ಗಂಗೆ ತಾನು ಉದ್ಭವಿಪ ನಿನ್ನಡಿಯ ಸೋಂಕಿಂಗೆ ಗಂಗೆ ತಾನು ಉದ್ಭವಿಪ ನಿನ್ನಡಿಯ ಸೋಂಕಿಂಗೆ ನರಕ ತಾನುಳಿಯುವುದೇ ನರಕವಾಗಿ ಮುಚ್ಚುಮರೆ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಮುಂದೆಲ್ಲವನು ಬಿಚ್ಚಿಡುವೆ ಓ ಗುರುವೇ ಅಂತರಾತ್ಮ ಸಾಂತರೀತಿಯ ನೆಮ್ಮಿ ಕದಡಿರುವುದೆನ್ನಾತ್ಮ ನಾಂತರೀತಿಯು ಅದೆಂತೋ ಓ ಅನಂತ ಸಾಂತರೀತಿಯ ನೆಮ್ಮಿ ಕದಡಿರುವುದೆನ್ನಾತ್ಮ ನಾಂತರೀತಿಯು ಅದೆಂತೋ ಓ ಅನಂತ ನನ್ನ ನೀತಿಯ ಕುರುಡಿನಿಂದೆನ್ನ ರಕ್ಷಿಸೈ ನನ್ನ ನೀತಿಯ ಕುರುಡಿನಿಂದೆನ್ನ ರಕ್ಷಿಸೈ ನಿನ್ನ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಬೆಳಕಿನಾನಂದ ಮುಚ್ಚುಮರೆ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಮುಂದೆಲ್ಲವನು ಬಿಚ್ಚಿಡುವೆ ಓ ಗುರುವೇ ಅಂತರಾತ್ಮ ಪಾಪವಿದೆ ಪುಣ್ಯವಿದೆ ನರಕವಿದೆ ನಾಕವಿದೆ ಸ್ವೀಕರಿಸೋ ಗುರುವೇ ಅಂತರಾತ್ಮ ಮುಚ್ಚುಮರೆ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಮುಚ್ಚುಮರೆ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಮುಚ್ಚುಮರೆ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ನಮಸ್ತೆ.
That was a very melodious presentation. We thank you, Miss Sanjana Kaushik ji. Continuing our adoration of Bhagavan Sri Ramakrishna, we now have
नाथ अनाथन की सुध लीजे। नाथ अनाथन की सुध नाथ नाथन की सुध लीजे। नाथ नाथन की सुध लीजे। नाथ अनाथन की सुध लीजे। नाथ अनाथन की सुध लीजे। तुम बिन दीन दुखी हैं। तुम बिन दीन दुखी हैं गोपी। तुम बिन दीन तुम बिन दीन तुम बिन दीन दुखी हैं गोपी बेगही दर्शन दीजे प्रभु जी बेगही दर्शन दीजे प्रभु जी नाथ अनाथन की सुधरी जय नाथ अनाथन की सुधरी नैनन जल भर आए हरि बिन नैनन जल भर जल भर आए नैनन जल भर आए हरि बिना हरि बिना हरि बिना नैनन जल भर आए हरि बिना नैनन जल भर नैनन नैनन जल भर आए हरि बिना नैनन जल भर आए हरि बिना नैनन जल भर आए हरि बिना उद्धव को पतिया लिख दीजे उद्धव को पतिया लिख दीजे सूरदास प्रभु सूरदास प्रभु आस मिलन की सूरदास प्रभु आस मिलन की अब की बेर ब्रज आवन कीजे अब की बेर ब्रज आवन कीजे नाथ अनाथन की सुध लीजे नाथ अनाथन की सुध लीजे तुम बिन दीन तुम बिन दीन तुम बिन दीन दुखी हैं गो तपी बेगही दर्शन दीजे प्रभु जी। नाथ अनाथन की सुध लीजे। नाथ अनाथन की सुध लीजे। नाथ अनाथन की सुध लीजे।
That was a really touching, soul-stirring song from Ashish Verma ji. Thank you very much, Ashish Verma ji. Now we have another great musician, Mrs. Rasika Kulkarni Karmalekar. Mrs. Rasika Kulkarni Karmalekar ji shall sing an abhang, Guru vina nahi chitti samadhan. Without the grace of the Guru, there is no peace of mind or control of the mental vrittis. Surrendering to the feet of the Guru is the path. Going on pilgrimages and other details are good, but without the grace of the Guru, there is no fulfillment in life. There is no illumination. There is no removal of the existential sorrow without the grace of the Guru. Mrs. Rasika Kulkarni ji.
गुरु वीण नाही चित्ती समाधान। गुरु वीण नाही चित्ती समाधान। गुरु वीण नाही चित्ती समाधान। स्वामींचे चरण धारी नामी। स्वामींचे चरण धारी नामी। गुरु वीण नाही चित्ती समाधान। गुरु वीण नाही चित्ती समाधान। स्वामींचे चरण धारी नामी। स्वामींचे चरण धारी नामी। गुरु वीण नाही चित्ती समाधान। गुरु वीण नाही चित्ती समाधान। समर्थ सांगती वामन बुआशी। समर्थ सांगती वामन बुआशी। राही मज पाशी चाकरीला। राही मज पाशी चाकरीला। गुरु वीण नाही चित्ती समाधान। समर्थानि सौख्ये दर्शनी विधले समर्थानि सौख्ये दर्शनी विधले परीते भ्रमले तीर्थस्थानी परीते भ्रमले तीर्थस्थानी गुरुवेण नाही चित्ती समाधान गुरुवेण नाही चित्ती समाधान सद्गुरुनी त्यांचे वाचविले प्राण सद्गुरुनी त्यांचे वाचविले प्राण आ आ सद्गुरुनी त्यांचे वाचविले प्राण सद्गुरुनी त्यांचे वाचविले प्राण दुःख निवारून केली कृपा दुःख निवारून केली कृपा गुरुवेण नाही चित्ती समाधान गुरुवेण नाही चित्ती समाधान स्वामींचे चरण धरीन मी स्वामींचे चरण धरीन मी गुरुवेण नाही चित्ती समाधान गुरुवेण नाही गुरुवेण नाही गुरुवेण नाही चित्ती समाधान
धन्यवाद श्रीमती Riska Kulkarni ji. It was a very excellent rendition. Now we have Sahana Kaushik reading from the teachings of Bhagavan Sri Ramakrishna. Sahana Kaushik ji, welcome.
Namaste. Sri Ramakrishna's advice about life. Mahendra asks, is it possible to see God? Then Sri Ramakrishna replies, yes, certainly. Living in solitude now and then, repeating God's name and singing His glories and discriminating between the real and the unreal. Then Mahendra further questions, under what conditions does one see God? Then Sri Ramakrishna says, cry to the Lord with an intensely yearning heart and you will certainly see Him. People shed a whole jug of tears for wife and children. They swim in tears for money. But who weeps for God? Cry to Him with a real cry. Then Sri Ramakrishna sang, cry to your mother Shyama with a real cry, mind. And how can she hold herself from you? How can Shyama stay away? How can your mother Kali hold herself away? Oh, my mind, if you are in earnest, bring her an offering of bell leaves and hibiscus flowers. Lay at her feet with your offering and with it mingled the fragrant sandal paste of love. Continuing, Sri Ramakrishna said, longing is like the rosy dawn. After the dawn out comes the sun. Longing is followed by the vision of God. God reveals himself to a devotee who feels drawn to him by the combined force of these three attractions: the attraction of worldly possessions for the worldly man, the child's attraction for its mother, and the husband's attraction for the chaste wife. If one feels drawn to him by the combined force of these three attractions, then through it one can attain him. The point is to love God even as the mother loves her child, the chaste wife her husband, and the worldly man his wealth. Add together these three forces of love, these three powers of attraction, and give it all to God. Then you will certainly see Him. It is necessary to pray to Him with a longing heart. The kitten knows only how to call its mother, crying, meow, meow. It remains satisfied wherever its mother puts it. And the mother cat puts the kitten sometimes in the kitchen, sometimes on the floor, and sometimes on the bed. When it suffers, it cries only meow, meow. That's all it knows. But as soon as the mother hears this cry, wherever she may be, she comes to the kitten. One of the devotees curiously asked, Sir, if a wicked man is about to do harm or actually does so, should we keep quiet then? Then Master Sri Ramakrishna replies, a man living in society should make a show of tamas to protect himself from evil minded people. But he should not harm anybody in anticipation of harm likely to be done to him. You must hiss like a snake does at wicked people. You must frighten them lest they should do you harm. But never inject your venom into them. One must not injure others. So, this was Sri Ramakrishna's advice about life. Namaste.
Thank you, Miss Sahana Kaushik. Now we have Dr. Kaustubha Bhatt rendering a bhajan for us. Dr. Kaustubha Bhatt, who lives in Germany, will sing a Kannada song from Vadiraja. The song is like this. O Kaku, called Gopa, please bring Sripati, the Supreme Lord, if you see him. Panduranga Vitthala's image is in the red lotus pond. If you see the Lord amidst the gopis in the month of Madhu, please bring him to me. It's a welcome song, welcoming the Lord. Dr. Kaustubha Bhatt.
Namaste. I will sing a song in Kannada by Swami Vadiraja. He was a saint in the Udupi region of Karnataka in India. ಕೋಗಿಲೆ ಕೋಗಿಲೆ ಶ್ರೀಪತಿಯ ಕಂಡರೆ ಮರಹೇಳೆ ಮರಹೇಳೆ
ಗೋಪ ಗೋಪನೆಂಬ ಕೋಗಿಲೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಗೋಪ ಗೋಪನೆಂಬ ಕೋಗಿಲೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಶ್ರೀಪತಿಯ ಕಂಡರೆ ಬರಹೇಳೆ ಗೋಪ ಗೋಪನೆಂಬ ಕೋಗಿಲೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಶ್ರೀಪತಿಯ ಕಂಡರೆ ಬರಹೇಳೆ ಗೋಪ ಗೋಪನೆಂಬ ಕೋಗಿಲೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಶ್ರೀಪತಿಯ ಕಂಡರೆ ಬರಹೇಳೆ ಕೆಂದಾವರಿಯೊಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಂಡುರಂಗ ವಿಠ್ಠಲ ಮೂರುತಿಪ್ಪ ಕೆಂದಾವರಿಯೊಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಂಡುರಂಗ ವಿಠ್ಠಲ ಮೂರುತಿಪ್ಪ ಕೆಂದಾವರಿಯೊಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಂಡುರಂಗ ವಿಠ್ಠಲ ಮೂರುತಿಪ್ಪ ಸುಂದರನಾದ ಸುರ ತರುವಿನ ನೆರಳೋಳು ಸುಂದರನಾದ ಸುರ ತರುವಿನ ನೆರಳೋಳು ಸುಂದರನಾದ ಸುರ ತರುವಿನ ನೆರಳೋಳು ರಂಗನಾಥನ ಕಂಡರೆ ನೀ ಬರಹೇಳೆ ರಂಗನಾಥನ ಕಂಡರೆ ನೀ ಬರಹೇಳೆ ಗೋಪ ಗೋಪನೆಂಬ ಕೋಗಿಲೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಶ್ರೀಪತಿಯ ಕಂಡರೆ ಬರಹೇಳೆ ಗೋಪ ಗೋಪನೆಂಬ ಕೋಗಿಲೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಶ್ರೀಪತಿಯ ಕಂಡರೆ ಬರಹೇಳೆ ಮಧುಮಾಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಧವನಿರಲು ಚದುರೆ ಗೋಪಿಯರಸ ಮೇಳದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಧುಮಾಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಧವ ನೀರಲು ಚದುರೆ ಗೋಪಿಯರಸ ಮೇಳದಲ್ಲಿ ಉದದಿವನಂತರ ಆಡುವ ಭರದಿಂದ ಉದದಿವನಂತರ ಆಡುವ ಭರದಿಂದ ಉದದಿವನಂತರ ಆಡುವ ಭರದಿಂದ ಪದುಮನಾಭನ ಕಂಡರೆ ಬರಹೇಳೆ ಪದುಮನಾಭನ ಕಂಡರೆ ನೀ ಬರಹೇಳೆ ಗೋಪ ಗೋಪನೆಂಬ ಕೋಗಿಲೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಶ್ರೀಪತಿಯ ಕಂಡರೆ ಬರಹೇಳೆ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಅಟ್ಟಿಯರಸುವ ಶ್ರುತಿಗಳಿಂದ ಸುಖ ಬಿಟ್ಟೆನೆಂದರವ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಅಟ್ಟಿಯರಸುವ ಶ್ರುತಿಗಳಿಂದ ಸುಖ ಬಿಟ್ಟೆನೆಂದರವ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಅಟ್ಟಿಯರಸುವ ಶ್ರುತಿಗಳಿಂದ ಸುಖ ಬಿಟ್ಟೆನೆಂದರವ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿಯಲುಡುಪಿಯ ಹಯವದನ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿಯಲುಡುಪಿಯ ಹಯವದನ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿಯಲುಡುಪಿಯ ಹಯವದನ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಲಿ ಕಂಡರೆ ನೀ ಬರಹೇಳೆ Krishna Hayavadana Swami Krishna Krishna
Kaustuba Bhatt ji, thank you very much for the excellent bhajan from Vadi Raja. We now have the renowned musician Srimati Gauri Patil ji rendering an abhanga for us. This is the last offering from us as an adoration to the Supreme. Srimati Gauri Patil ji shall sing an abhanga from Kanho Patra, the 15th century illumined saint and devotee of Sri Krishna from Pandharapur. I shall read. O my Lord, I am a humble seeker. You are the remover of sin and ignorance. You liberate everyone who seeks you. O my dear Lord, by repeating your names, everyone is purified. I have made so many mistakes in my life. I sing your praises and I shall be purified. Please make me your own. We request Srimati Gauri Patil ji to sing.
पतित तू पावना पावना पतित तू पावना पावना मणविसे नारायणा मणविसे नारायणा पतित तू पावना पावना मणविसे नारायणा मणविसे नारायणा जरी सांभाळी वचन जरी सांभाळी वचन जरी सांभाळी वचन जरी सांभाळी जरी सांभाळी जरी सांभाळी वचन जरी सांभाळी वचन वेद वागविसी जाण वेद वागविसी वेद वागविसी वेद वागविसी वेद वागविसी वेद वागविसी जाण पतित तू पावना पावना मणविसे नारायणा मणविसे नारायणा याते शुद्ध नाही भाव याते शुद्ध नाही भाव दुष्ट आचरण स्वभाव याते शुद्ध नाही भाव याते शुद्ध नाही भाव याते शुद्ध नाही आचरण स्वभाव दुष्ट आचरण स्वभाव मुखे नाम नाही नाही मुखे नाम नाही मुखे नाम नाही नाही मुखे नाम नाही कानो पात्रा शरण पाये कानो पात्रा शरण पाये कानो पात्रा शरण पाये कानो पात्रा शरण पाये पतित तू पावना पावना पतित तू पावना पावना मनविसे नारायणा मनविसे नारायणा
Dhanyavad, Srimati Gauri Patil ji. That was a very beautiful rendering. This brings us to the end of our adoration of Bhagwan Sri Ramakrishna for today. We express our gratitude on behalf of all the members of the Vedanta Society of Holland to all the participants who have rendered their rendition so perfectly, so beautifully, so touchingly. Young and old, everybody. We also thank all of you from various nations who have been watching and being with us, encouraging us in this adoration online of Sri Ramakrishna. Wherever some people sit together and think of God, there the Lord is definitely present. Here, all of us are sitting together and thinking of the divine. Definitely the grace of Sri Ramakrishna is on all of us and shall be with us always. Let us go out with this positive note and bring joy and hope not only to our hearts but to everyone around us. This is our prayer. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramayah, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःख भाग भवेत्. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. हरि ओम तत्सत्. सर्वं श्री रामकृष्णार्पणमस्तु. Thank you very much for all your kindness.